Start with the name of Allah, who is most merciful and kind. So my name is Arshad Ali Meman, a student of University Campus, Larkano. So today I am here to present the course Human Resource Management presentation on the topics of introduction of HRM, job analysis, training and development. So first of all, I am describing here the organization. It is an entity such as a company, an institution, where a group of people with a particular purpose to achieve the public or stockholder wealth maximization. So here is a basic concept that organization is a place, in other words, we can say entity, company, or institution where a group of people comes together to achieve the organizational goal by different aspects. So the purpose of organization there is different peoples comes for enhance, or we can say that the maximization of the stockholder wealth maximization. So when we about talk about the organization, there is a different types of departments working together. So in which human resource, marketing, finance, accounting, manufacturing, different departments have a different aspects, different objects for achieving the organizational goal. So here is a human resource management. So when we talk about the human resource management, so that we can say that it's all about the management. So here the management is a process of planning, organizing, leading and controlling. So basically the manager who manage all activity within the organization by a good management skills. So here is a manage human resource management. Human resource management means managing peoples in the organization. Means it's all about the people, employees which are working within the organization. Human resource management is the management of human resources for maximization employee performance within organization. So here the human resource management is all about the managing the human resources for improve the performance of the employees within the organization. By that the organization set out their objective to get easily to achieve these object easily. So here is a HR workflow. So here these are some points which is done by the HR manager within the organization by making the policies and procedures and different strategy to increase the performance of the employees by achieving the objects of the organizations. So here is a talent management, recruitment, online recruitment, auto enrollment, expenses, timesheets, mobile apps, self services, training, payroll. So all these activities which is done by the HR manager for succession in the organization. So here is a process of HRM. So in process, first of all is a job analysis and design. So HR basically is a hiring of the new employees within the organization, give them training and increase their performance and evaluation their performance. After all that they give the compensation. So job analysis, so first of all HR manager analyze the job, any situation which is which vacant, we can say that any job which is empty or needed in the organization, the HR manager first analyze which employee is a requirement for a particular job. So after that he recruit and hiring. As we know that HR manager give advertisement through that the recruitment process start by screening test, by the interview, panel interview, or by the other different activities. Through that the HR manager select hire the new employees within the organization. As we today know that the different search engine, FPSC, SCSC, SPSC, or NTS, other PTS, different website through that advertisement comes and different procedures are occur in that situation. So when employees are entered in the organization, then HR manager must have the main element, which is the training and development. Training and development is a main element of HR manager. Without that, new employees within the organization is not working with with their confidence, or we can say that he is not capable for that situation. So that HR manager must give them training. So after training, the appraisal, performance appraisal, performance evaluation of the evaluation of the performance of the employees within the organization, either he is working good or not. So after of that, in the end of year, they set out the compensation by giving them bonuses, rewards, tangible rewards, intangible, different insurance benefits. These all about the process of HRM. So here is a one type of a manager. We can say that a line manager. So in HR manager, different types of manager which have a different role and responsibility. So here is a line manager. Line manager is an employee who directly manage other employees in operations while reporting to higher rank manager. Related job title: supervisor, section leader. So basically, the line manager is a supervisor. His role is in an organization like a supervisor. He informed to the higher authorities. He is on the ground duties with the employees, motivate them, give the rights, or we can say that give the place on that motivate these employees within the organization. So here is some responsibility. So first is the right person on right job. Second, on the training development, work as supervisor, make policies and procedure, controlling labor cost, making departments morale, employees well being. So these are responsibilities which is performed by the line manager by giving the reports to the higher authorities as the HR managers. So here is some difference between the line manager and HR manager. So my second topic is job analysis. So first of all, that what is job? Job is a particular piece of work, any small or big work which is done by any person, either that is an organization or out of the organization. That is a job, small or large type of work. And in other words, we can say that a group of positions involving duties and responsibilities. A person which have a small duties and responsibilities, he is perform clearly, that is called a job. So job analysis, it is a process of collecting information about job. In other words, we can say that it is an anatomy of job. So in job analysis, first HR manager analyze that which job is required. Either that is a finance officer, either that is a HR manager, that is either a clerk, which type of clerk. It's all about the method of collecting the job within the organization. So when we comes in the job analysis, there is a two main aspects through their job analysis is easily comes. So here is a job description and other one is a job specification. So job description, it is a information which is also in the show in the advertisement which is given by the any organization. In job description, that is a job title, which type of job is announced by the organization or HR manager. Job location, where is either is in Karachi, Hyderabad, Islamabad, in which areas that is a job are located. So job summary, reporting, working condition, job duties. So all these things comes in the job description, which is provided by the company. So in other words, job specification is all about the employees which is hired by the organization. So in which they check their profile, their qualification, either is MBA, MA English, which is needed for the organization. They are particular for that. So their experience, either he is experienced or not experienced, he is a trained or not trained, skills, responsibility. All these are things which is checked by the HR recruitment manager. So these are also the diagram of job analysis which I already discussed here. So job analysis method is a observation. Is different types of job analysis method are occurred. So here is observation, interview, questionnaire, technical conference, diary. These all aspects through there the job analysis methods are utilized for hiring or selection of the newcomers in the organizations. So my third point is topic is training and development. I already told that training is all about the skill development. Skill development for what? Skill development for the increase the performance of employees. For what increase the performance? For enhance the organizational goal to get the organizational goal, which is a vision and mission set by the organizations. So here is the training. Training, it is all about the development skill. I already told, giving the skill to employ for job performance. Giving to the employees enhance the knowledge of the employees. Skilled employees is very necessary for the every organization. If there is an skilled employees within organization, the every organization is a success. So here is this picture is show that is a one trainer is trained to the employees. So training is a subsystem of an organization and core function of human resource management to ensure continuous skill development. So it's all about the skill development of the employees for increase their performance within the organization towards the organizational goal. So this is a diagram which shows that the new employees, unskilled employees, a potential it's input, and when they give training, training is a process in which they are fully skilled, motivated, committed, and competitive for the managers. So here is a 5 step of training process. So first is analyze, second one is a design, third one is a development, fourth one is implement, and fifth one is a evaluation. So here 5 step of a training process that I already told. So first of all, analyze training need. So that in analyze training need, first of all HR manager analyze that which employee have a need of a training. It is not necessary that newcomers, new employees which is hired by the organization, those who have a need of training, other not. No, it is very necessary for all that within the organization, those employees are already working, they also have a need of training, because training is a one element through that the employees are fully activated to through that they when they activated they are increase their increase performance increase, the organization get organizational goal very easily. So HR manager analyze training that which person have a need of, which employee have a need of training. So after they analyze training, select those peoples, after they design overall training that in which they design that storybooks, drawing sheets, different PPT slides. It means they make material for training. That through that they give the training to the employees. So third one, the develop the course. Develop course is all about the graphics. I already told you that which course or which objects, which titles are the course are bounded for that they give it game them, give them training. So fourth one is implement training. Implement training means give them training, give them a training on the particular area or particular. So some organization give training by himself, herself, but some organization give training to the task to the other trainers, motivational trainers, motivational speakers, to give them their training. So different organization, a used organization have own training center, but some have a different. As I am a principal of my school, that I take training from Beacon House, and some our head principals give training from the IB. So different centers are for different employees, they take training from different organizations. So fifth one, evaluation training. Evaluation training is the last one process in which the HR manager evaluate the training through the performance appraisal at the end of the year. And other words, we can those employees who comes when they are the take training from other institution, they come in institution, and they HR manager analyze that either he is activated from training or not, he get benefit from training or not. So these all performance which are analyzed by the HR manager of the in the organization. So these are five stages about the training. So here is my topics. Three topics are ended. So thank you so much for time. Thank you so much for everything. Allah Hafiz.